Hello everyone. So today I'm discuss about a smaller sum problem, that is GFG problem of the day. So the question is that you are given an array of n integers. For each integer I, you have to find the sum of all the integers present in the array with a value less than array of. Means the question is that we have to find all the elements which are present in the array smaller than 3. That element sum I have to store it here. All those elements which are present in the array is smaller than 2. That element sum I have to store it here, and all those elements which are present in the array is smaller than 1. All those elements sum I have to store it here. So the approach for this problem is that I am going to use. For that I am going to the whiteboard to explain you the approach. So as you had seen there, we had given the test case which containing the element is. So the approach is that I am going to use one data structure which will each and every time give maximum element from the array. So the first thing that I am going to use here is that I am going to find the sum of all the elements present in the array. So here you can clearly see that the sum is 6. So what I will do is that I will use one data structure and I will find the maximum element from this array. So the maximum element is 3. So what I will do is that I will simply subtract the 3 from the sum variable, and whatever the value means 6 minus 3, and whatever the value that I had obtained, that value I am going to store for this 3 inside a map. Okay. Then after that I will move to 2. Again I will do the same thing, and I will, before moving to 2, I will pop this 3 from that data structure, so that the second time when I will find the maximum element from the data structure, then it will give me 2. So again what I will do is that I am at 2, so I will subtract the 2 from the sum variable. So what I had obtained is 1. Then I will store this 1 value inside my map. Again I will do the same, and 1 minus 1 0, I will store it here. So now the data structure which I am going to use here is, of course you had guessed it right, I will be using maxi. So in C++, if you want to implement maxi, then you have to use priority queue. So now I'm going to the coding part, and I will explain you the logic there only. So as I had explained you, the first I'm going to maintain the sum variable. Since here long, so I have to use okay. Then after that I'm going to use priority queue, which is used to make maxi. So after that I will simply traverse the array one by one, and I will find the sum of each and every element present in the array. Sum is equal to array at I. After that I will push each and every element into our maxi, that is priority queue. Okay, I have pushed the element. Then as I had explained you that I will use the map in order to, here as I had explained you that this 3 I will map it with this 3. Then this 2 I will map it with 1, and this 1 I will map it with 0. So for this mapping purpose I am going to use map. So both containing key and value, both containing long type value. Okay. After that I will pop one by one each and every element from this priority queue. So each time it is giving me the maximum element. So I'm going to declare the max element variable, and I'm going to take the top element from the queue. Then after that I will pop the element from the queue. Then as I had explained you that I will subtract the pop element, I will subtract the max element from the sum. As for here you can see, if the sum variable is containing the value 6 for this case, and here for the first time when I am at the 3, means I am not at the 3, means max heap had given me the value 3. When I will subtract this 3 value from the 6, then I will obtain 3, and that 3 only we want here. Okay, that 3 I will do the mapping as I had explained you on the whiteboard, that map at max element. Since max element 3, that value I am going to map with sum. After that, what I am simply going to traverse that we declare first answer variable. Then I am simply going to traverse the map one by one. Since the number of element is 3 and the map size is also 3, since for each element we are getting the output, so that's why I am running this loop till end. Okay. Then after that I will simply traverse the map that will store one by one each element to our answer vector. Then I will return the answer. So what I have done here is that array at I. Array at 0 is 1. So the element which is the map value whose key is 1, that we had stored in 0. Then similarly for here, array at when I value become 1, then the array at 1 is 2. So the map containing the key as 2, that value I am going to store into the answer value, and so on and so forth. Okay, let me do compile whether it is running fine or not. Then after that, let me run. Let me submit the code. As you can clearly see, our code gets submitted. I hope this solution is clear to you. If it is clear, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.